So before this video starts, I just want to give a quick shout out and a happy birthday to John, who's, I think his 40th at the end of this month, August 31st. Have a good one, mate. 40 is the new 30, it's got to be said. Hello, and today's episode, we're going to take it easy actually, we're going to take it a bit easy. We're finished up on the CB750, the Warrior, and it is a beast of a bike. But, I mean, there's a few things that I might want to do to it. We are running a straight through system on it, but I think it's going to give us issues in the long run with back pressure and things like that. So I might actually put a silencer on it. Nothing too drastic, it'll be another Ducati silencer just to slip straight onto that. I think it's a 3-inch pipe, I'm not sure, 3 or 4-inch pipe, I can't remember. But we will slip silencer on it. So that's to come, and then obviously there's test driving the CB and getting it MOT'd and getting it on the road pretty much, because it is needed for summer riding, essentially. And also fiddling about with the other bikes, of course. Head to my Instagram account if you want to see yesterday's post on riding the Suzuki GS. Still fiddling with that. I think I might have to go up main jet sizes on that. Still struggling on the mids and the full, but again, head to my Instagram account, you can see up-to-date news and stories and things like that. Things that I may not broadcast on YouTube. But saying that, the next big project that's going to happen on the channel is going to be the Ducati Monster, and I've started that already, but I'm not going to throw you straight into that after finishing the CB. We're just going to have a little bit of a nice breather video today. So one of the things I do need to do is sort out the workshop here. The workshop is seriously packed and stacked and everything like that. I want somewhere to put my helmets neatly. At the moment they're hanging up and things like that, well, the old helmets are anyway, and I need somewhere to put my new helmets. The workshop, of course, may not be the cleanest place ever, but I do want to stack them up in here because I'm running out of room in the house. I'm going to have to keep my helmets in here. So that is today's job, to build a helmet stand, a cool looking helmet stand for that fact, out of second-hand pallets. I'm really loving this whole second-hand approach, or upcycling I should call it. Recycling, upcycling. They're made out of upcycled wooden pallets. You can get them cheap enough from anywhere, and they do absolutely everything. I mean, the wall behind me here is made out of recycled or upcycled pallets, I should say. Brilliant materials to use. It's worn, it's battered, it's sun-bleached, it's everything. So I love the look and texture on that wood. Let's get into the video. Let's make some nice shelves. And that is all glued up now. I'm not going to go into the whole detail of how to and everything like that, but simply putting it in a clump, gluing it together makes a solid piece. I will be putting sort of struts behind there, all sorts, just to make it a little bit more solid, but that at the moment is all held together with glue. So this is it, the new stand. I think it works quite well in the sense that it helps divide the workshop a little bit. I don't know what I'm going to do to that bit yet. I used to have that light box, and the light box stopped working quite early on after I put it up, so I have no use for it now. I mean, I may start adding some more shelves on there, but at the moment it's a good sort of corner to put the CX500 out of the way there, and it does serve the function of actually having a little nice backdrop. But I do need to put new lights on the ceiling, new strip lights as well, because at the moment there's just not enough light in here. I'm having to use two separate light diffusers and things to actually illuminate me when I'm doing these videos and things. But it's a nice addition to the workshop anyway. You know what I could really do with a bigger workshop where I've got sofas and things and actually proper place to just chill out. I might actually build a new workshop at some stage, sometime in the maybe near or distant future, who knows. But this infill video actually this week is giving me more time to start the Ducati Monster and getting my thoughts ready and thinking about how we're going to do it. So the Ducati Monster project is going to be super exciting. It's going to have a carbon fibre fuel tank and fairing as well, a lot of CNC parts, a lot of 3D printed parts as well, so it's going to be really customizable, and I need to get all that ready in time for next year's bike shed submission. Anyway, submissions start in January, and I need to submit it in time for that, and I want to get it at a stage where it's looking really good. I don't want to do like I did with the CV750 and kind of leave that last minute, well, not that I left it last minute, I actually went off to Florida to build another bike, but heck, that's a different thing altogether. But anyway, so next week's video is going to be introducing the Ducati Monster and what I'm going to be doing on it. Not to forget, coming up this week, I may actually put my Ducati Scrambler test ride coming this Wednesday, and Friday's video, of course, is the normal Dime City Cycle CX500 tracker build, and this week we'll be painting the parts orange is what's needed. So remember to check in that. If you like what you see, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, check out Dime City Cycles' channel, as well as donating that $5 for a chance to win the CX500, which it will be shipped anywhere. Terms and conditions apply. There might be a few exclusions, but check before you donate. So until Wednesday's video, hopefully Wednesday's video, if I'll have time to actually edit it, that is, Wednesday's video will be coming up. So until then, ride safe, stay safe, and I will see you then.